Wells Fargo Center was a building that had gone for literally 20 years without going north of 80%. Even in the boom of 2006, 2007, there was a tremendous amount of demand at that period, but the building was not able to achieve north of 80% lease up. So it was stigmatized as the building that would not lease. The prior ownership was actually very good at maintaining things like air conditioning systems and roofs and cooling towers and all those sort of institutional minded items, but they actually didn't do anything to make the building be changed in the minds of the brokerage community or the general tenant community. So we came in and we bought this building at about 34 cents on a dollar of what it cost to replace. We paid about $115 a foot for a building that cost $350 a foot to build. It just needed, a few $1 million of sort of TLC. So, the combination of the old ownership and the new ownership has invested about $6 million, but we've increased the value of this building in about a 2-year period by investing that $6 million. We calculate, roughly $33 to $34 million of appreciation has occurred here as a result of the renovations that we've done and the lease up that we've achieved. And it was kind of a 1-2 punch. We coupled this renovation program with a very aggressive leasing program. So going back to the old Tower 45 playbook, which was that building in Manhattan, we called it Tower 45. Basically, going right back to that playbook, we announced to all the brokers, we're the new sheriff in town. We sent out these little earbuds, or whatever they're called, the things you stick in your ears and they fill your whole ear with a great sound. And it had a little tagline on the thing with a picture of the building, and it said, "Have you heard? There's a new owner in town. Have you heard?" ? And we went and sent out to every broker, and we announced with that we were paying them actually a 20% premium, a 5% commission versus 4%. So everybody else was paying 4% in town. We were paying them a 5% commission. And we were paying them within 30 days, 100% of the commission, whereas everybody else was paying 50-50, 50 on signing, 50 at occupancy. So that was an aggressive statement to the brokers. And then we coupled that with this massive renovation. And we got out the word even before the renovations were done with an intense marketing program, showing them renderings and beautiful photographs and all kinds of things to get them to see what we would be building. And P.S., the building went from 74% leased to 93% leased in less than 2 years. In about a year and 10 months, we did that. And basically saw a tremendous appreciation in the value of the building. So we're very thrilled about what happened here.